is the most commonly used means of transport. It is our noblest invention, complex by design, simple by nature. The humble bicycle. A bicycle, popularly known as a bike, sometimes referred to as a push bike, pedal cycle, or just cycle. A bicycle is a human-powered, pedal-driven, single-track vehicle having two wheels attached to a frame, one behind the other, propelled by paddles and steered with handlebars attached.
Every bicycle has the pedals, but there are no terms of innovation on the first existence of bicycle. Before the innovation of the pedals, the position of the pedal is a bit different than current one. Before this, the position is at the side of the tires. The surface maybe is quite difficult to ride or not comfortable for the bikers, and it's quite challenging. Traditional so-called clipless pedals return the rider feet via a spring-loaded mechanism that engages a clip on the bottom of the shoes. Many bikers are not comfortable with being mechanically attached to their pedals like that, which is why pads were created. The MITID safety bike pedal is a true innovation for mountain bikes and e-bikes. The patented magnet mechanism makes quick and simple release of the foot from the pedal possible at any time. Due to the use of the patented magnetic mechanism, a safe, quick, and easy removal of the foot from the pedal is possible at any time. The risk of falling and injury is reduced to an absolute minimum compared to the pedals with fixed connection, and the head remains free for enjoyable biking without fear. The MITID pedal is a modern, high-quality flat pedal made from light CNC cut aluminium with a CRMO or titanium spindle. All MITID pedals are highly weight competitive to other high-end pedals in spite of the added magnet system. The pedals allow for several degrees of twist on your foot and therefore provide less strain on the ankles during the rise. In addition, the foot position can be varied to the front or back without a loss of pulling force for an ideal position on your ascent and your descent. There are variety different types of MITID for the bike, which is the MITID Enduro, Sport, Road, and Ultra. They have difference in the term of weight, innovation, and other function. The concept of magnetic bike pedal is not new. Maglock bike pedals have actually been around for a few years while ago. MITIDs were new, engineered differently. The magnets on maglock pedals are adjustable, so they are able to add and remove magnets to change their pull force. MITIDs are able to vary the foot placement while maintaining the pull force because the magnet is not rigid like the magnets in the matlock pedals. This is due to the placement of the neodymium magnet and is mounted on a flexible polymer damper so it moves with the foot. MagPad have a quality such as adjustable and strong magnet, full platform, lightweight, but also have some weakness which is pricey. Sometimes it do not work well with high street SPD shoes and adjustment of the magnet head make it loose. Thank you.
To all my classmates, today I will talk about the useful of MagPad pedal. Okay, as we know, the bike can enhance the performance using the MagPad pedal. The MagPad pedal will ensure a continuous circular motion by employing your extension muscle 70% and your flexor muscle 30% for maximum riding performance. Okay, furthermore, the weight of the pedal is different compared to the others pedal. Okay, the MagPad pedal is a modern high quality flat pedal made from light CNC cut aluminium with CRMO spindle. Okay, as we know that material is very lightweight material to make sure to enhance the energy to minimum the energy that used for the cycle when they cycling. Additionally, the positioning of the pedal allow the foot several degrees of twist, which will put less strain on your ankle during the ride. Okay, when you use the MagPad pedal, we know the ride is very smooth. For pulling the force pedal is depending on the bike. Choose the pedal, the magnet will provide you with up to 15 kilo in pulling force. The magnet force is primarily vertical, which allow the bikers to effortlessly release by simply moving your foot sideways. However, even in more critical situation, the magnet force can be overcome by pulling your foot up in a vertical direction. The shoe's mat plate is made by anti-corrosion treated steel and it is compatible with all SPD bike shoes. Okay, as we know, all the bikers, when they fall, they cannot unlock the pedal from their shoes. So the MagPad is used for make sure to decrease the critical accident such as broke the bone, maybe the serious injured like broke bone. So the MagPad is useful when they have when they face the situation, the critical situation, they will easily to unlock their shoes and can enhance their energy and can maximum their energy when they're cycling with their bike. Okay, so when they help, the MagPad also help the bikers to decrease of use their energy and make sure that the bikers is not too tired when they cycle their bike on the long way. Okay, thank you.